Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this slide, we are going to practice the most frequently interview coding questions. So recently, I was attended the cognition interview, and it is in a walk-in drive. So there they ask the question is like where find the second highest salary. So let's say what is the second highest salary. So what I will state, right? So already I have the employee DB. So uh, from the I'm dropping that. Let's see. So I'm drop employee DB employee DB. So it is already there right here. You can able to see employee DB is there. So I'm deleting this. I'm dropping this. So you can see here. So I'm changing the DB to master and drop the employee DB. So what it is saying that unknown object type employee DB is used and create. Okay. So this is an employee DB. So what is I'm copying that name and let's execute now. Oh, oops. What's happened? Used. Okay. It is now using. Mm, so remove this query window and open new query. Oh, sorry. Yeah. See query window and drop the employee table. Let's execute it. Okay, where it is using? Nowhere it is using. But why it is showing like a employee DB is used in create and drop on alter. Okay, sorry. Let's see database. Yeah, we need to put the database, drop database and employee DB. Executing. Let's wait for some time. Okay, cannot drop the database employee DB because it is used in currently. Let me refresh this and execute now. Nowhere it is using. Why it is showing this? Close the connection and make the connection again. Now try to execute. Yeah, something might be it's like in a cache issue or something. So I'm closing this database. SSMS. Again, I'm opening SSMS. Yeah, yep, and connecting now. So here, new query window. Query, sorry, drop employee DB, and here database execute. See, it is under the system databases. No. Oh, why? Where it is using employee DB, and directly we can delete from here. Close existing connection and delete. Yeah, it got deleted. I don't know why it is not deleted before it. So now you can see oh system databases, and this is the databases. Okay, this is the database snapshots. So I'm creating the database. Create database. Database as an employee DB. Execute. So database is created. Then here refresh. So the database is created, and from there here so create a table, create table, and table name is an employee, and here um, so what we need, so I'm taking an employee id as integer, and auto increment identity 1 and 1. So starting from 1 and the difference is 1. If your starting is 1 and the difference is 2, then it will 1 id number is start with 1, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, like that. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So like that it will give the identity, give the, it will auto incremented. No need to give the our id names. So primary key, so this is in a primary key, primary key. Okay, and I'm taking, and also I'm taking the name. So it is already, name is a varchar, varchar 20, and email or address. Let's take email varchar 225. Let's take 100 only. It will allow up to the 100. So is okay. And next, take phone number or something. Can take like a salary. Let's take salary. Salary. Salary is in Vadkar. No, salary is in a decimal or integer. So you can take a decimal. Mm, decimal and mm, department department worker worker 100 and city city is also worker. Take 100. Mm, yeah, no, this looks good. So employee ID, name and email, salary and department and city. So I'm creating already in the object. Sorry, it is in a relationships. It is using, here you can see it is using the relationships database. So let's create, let use employee DB and execute this use. So command is successfully. Here you can see employee DB and create table. I have created the table in the employee DB. You can able to see right now. So this is a diagram in a table. You can see employee table is created. In the employee table you can see what are the keys. In a keys is a primary key on primary key on which column can, yeah, it has a employee table. So primary key is on a employee ID, right? Okay, so indexes is a cluster index and here triggers is not there and constraints, no constraints is there. And see, like this you have created, right? From here insert the data into the this table. So insert data, I'm writing the query in like so to insert into into employee, insert into employee where name is name, email and salary and department and city. And now values values of the, let's take some few dummy data. I'm taking here, I'm pasting here. Yeah, I'm inserting these 10 records here. So this is I'm inserted the 10 rows. I have inserted the 10 rows. Now select star from employee table. Now you will able to see the 10 rows is now. See, actually we have the 10 rows in the employee table. This is my table. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Why it is came, right? So already I told, right? So auto incremented by 2. We have taken, right? Auto incremented by 2. It is started from the 1. So it is started from the 1, 1, and after that 2. Auto incremental, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 5, and 6, 7, 7, like this. Yeah. Now most of the interviews they will ask like, find the second highest salary in the table. So here second highest salary is 55,000, 60,000, 52,000. Let me update this salary as, okay, 55, 55 is greater than 60, so it is a false. Mm, so order by descending, select star from employee, order by salary descending, salary descending. So you can see first highest salary is a 70,000 and second highest is the 63,000. So how you will do, right? So for that, first you need to write a query like select max from max salary as salary from employee. So from the max, so now from this table, from the employee table, I'm finding the max. So what it is now, it is in a 70,000, right? Maximum value. So I'll same thing, I'll put a min, so it will print the minimum value is a 47. You can see here, see the last one is a 47, right? This is only minimum. So this is the first highest salary. So if they wanted just ask like an highest salary, then we can use this minimum, max. So here max salary is a 70,000. So 70,000 is the first highest salary, and first highest salary is less than is equal to less than. I put here less than. Select again max of salary salary. So in a simpler way, I'll explain like this. So this is first highest, right, from the employee. So what you will get 70,000. So again same thing you can do here. What you can do, right? Where, put the where condition, where select where less than less than with salary less than select select max salary employee. What it will return, right? It will also, so 70,000 max salary. So the actual how it will look like. See, this output is like max salary is a 70,000. Max salary is in a 70,000. So here it is 70,000. So the in a execution of the query, first it convert the sub query. Sub query is a 70,000, and now it will perform the filtration on this. So whatever 70,000 below, what it is there, 70,000 below this, right? So when you are executed 70,000 below, it is in a, I'll select here, wait, I'll show you, control copy and control V. So I'm removing the max. So select to star from the employee table where salary is less than 70,000. So this is the result. From this, here 70,000 is not appear. From this max salary is second highest. See, 63,000 is the second highest. So first highest less than this, so you will find the second highest. So this way you can easily write. But if you want, but I want also the names. In an interview they'll ask like so I want second highest salary employee names. So that time it will not work, right? So here, see, it will not work. So this time it will not work because column name is invalid. Select a list because it not contained either aggregation function or group by class. So here aggregation function is not there, so this is an aggregate function. Max and min, max and what are there, some, these are the aggregate functions. Average, count, sum, average and min, max, these are the aggregate functions. So in this case what you will do, right here, having uh, name, your group buying with name, not not with the name, can use salary only. What salary again, max, right? So with the having uh, no, group by, sorry, group by salary. So column name is invalid, select list because it it is not contain either aggregate function or group by class. So it contain let's try with name. It is working or not. See, it came, but it is group buying with the name. So Amit is only one, and Kiran is so group by using this, so it will not work. So if you, for that, what you will do, right? I'll simply remove this, and I'll simply remove this and see. So this is in a subquery, right? This subquery we can use in a city. How we can use with CTE as, so CT is a common, it is in a simple result set, temporary result set. It is in a temporary result set which can select. So you can use this one, right? Okay, use this one, select, control copy, and select. No, you can use like this, remove the max, use the window functions. So here I'm salary, and after that I'm using the dense rank over dense rank on over. So here dense rank, I am applying the dense rank over on the salary, right? Order by descending, order by salary, salary descending. So, and again I'm giving the name, that row name as highest salary. Salary. So now I'm executing this, so you can able to see highest salary. It is ranking the highest salaries. So with the using of dense row, what it is happened, right? So it will any duplicate is there, it will consider as a only one. So if 70,000, it is one, and 63,000 two, and 60,000 three. Unlike, for example, you have another 60,000, it will come consider like in a one and two. No, not one and two. It's only one. Like from here, you can select star from CTE, where where highest salary is equal to 2. You can easily found that to 63,000. So same thing is happened here as well. 63,000. This, okay, it is not executing combinedly. 63,000, and this one. Without CTE also you can write. So you can use the subquery. Select star from here you put the subquery as a table. So here again select salary and apply the dense rank. Apply the dense rank over order by salary descending as highest salary, highest from table employee. Yeah. So this is a subquery which represents this is in table. So here as, so I'm naming this as table name like salary like temp subquery table subtable. So where where apply here where highest is equal to 2. Now you will able to see this is the highest salary, but it is showing highest as well. So to remove this, you just use, instead of select star, you can use salary only. See 63,000. So these are the three ways you can work with simple and short and sweet. Simple and short and using the using CTE means common table expression. Common table expression. It's simple like a temporary result set. The definition is like definition of CTE is temporary temporary result result set. It is uh, query execution only. It is limited up to query window only, and without CTE normal using subquery using subquery. So these are the three ways you can do. I most preferred I mostly preferred in an interview use the dense rank. This will it's very good approach like and using the CT is the best option. You can use this in interviews. Yeah, and going next, what else? Right, going next. Find the mm, select all employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. So simple. Whose salary is 50,000. select to star from employee database name and where whose salary is greater than 50,000. Greater than 50,000. Just put the greater than symbol here. 50,000. See, these are the all employees is greater than 50,000 only. So out of 10, 8 members are greater than 50,000. And retrieve the distinct department names from the table. So this is the question, and so this is the question. Retrieve distinct department name from the employee table. So for that you can use it just simply group by select department department from employee group by department. And execute. Yeah, this is engineering, finance, HR, and IT, marketing, and operations, and QA and support. Let's see in our actual table. To see here is see engineering, QA, and engineering, HR, and operation support, and IT and marketing. IT and HR is came two times. What they mentioned, like retrieve the distinct department names from the employee table. So we write distinct employee tables. So now sort employees by salary in descending order. So it's simple, right? Order by descending. Hmm, okay, here I need to mention salary. These are descending. And count the number of employees in each department. So this is another question. Count the number of employees in each department. So IT department 2 and IT is 2, right? Okay. HR and HR is also 2 remaining all. So you can see distinct departments are these. So we'll count. Select count of department. What the question, count the number of employees in each department. Mm, from employee where or having. So here we need to do group by department. Now you will be able to see, I think, yeah, see, you're able to see here and here. uh, you wanted department name, so department name, see, so HR is two and IT is two employees, and all are all the one employee only. Like this you can find an employee whose name start with the A. So find an employee whose name starts with A. You can see select name from employee where name like operator we are using. So ample site here. Now execute Amit only. We have the only one record that is in a Amit. Let's see. Select all name. Venu, Renuka, and Rahul, Sneha, and Amit. Only one. For example, I start with the A letter. If you put this like now, first A and it is starting with numbers. So ending with A, ending with. You can see ending with A is this is the one. So starting A and ending with, you know, right? Um, yeah, that's it. That's it from today. So these are the simple. So this question is asked in a cognizant second highest salary. This is very important. Yeah, thank you for live. Thank you for watching live. Uh, we'll meet tomorrow live. Thank you. Bye.